what unique contribution do you hope for your community will the fulfillment of your purpose serve?
I've learned that giving is the key. I always want to find ways to help somebody along the way. You know, that's the bottom line for me. I've learned to help even when my personal resources are limited. I will tend to share whatever it is that I have. I'll share that. So I'll give you an example of a neighbor of mine who, unfortunately, at a young age, I don't know, he was probably in his 40s, and he had a massive stroke. And ordinarily, he's an industrious type person that goes out and make things happen. And then after he had his stroke, he was incapacitated, and he really couldn't do what he had done or generate, you know, the income for his family and so forth. So it just came upon me that I have a duty to a certain extent, or at least a responsibility to help in whatever way I can. So I make that a real, it's part of my intention to help in whatever way I can at all times. So that's just a part of me. So, and I think that's the God-given part of my purpose.